What is your name and your job title at CTI?
Hi, my name is Mui Fong and I'm a technical trainer at CTI Resources.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nazruddin and I am a technical trainer at CTI.
How many years of experience do you have?
I have 9 years of experience in industrial automations and software training.
I have more than 10 years of experience in industrial automations and software training.
What professional certification have you earned?
I'm a certified HRTF trainer in Malaysia, and I also have a plant structure certified expert, certified training providers, plant SCADA, system platform, and historian.
I am a certified HRDF trainer in Malaysia, and also I have a certified expert in SCADA by Aviva, certified service provider by Stratus, and also certified OSH coordinator.
What inspired you to become a trainer?
There's nothing more rewarding than seeing participants confidently apply a new skills, transforming confusion into mastery.
I never imagined I would become a trainer, but after joining CTI, I discovered my passion for it. And I love being a trainer because it allows me to meet more people and share my knowledge with them.
If you could describe your training style in 3 words, what will it be?
It will be engaging, practical, and interactive.
3 words is hands-on, structured, and supported.
Motivational quotes that you like?
Never try, never know.
There's a lot of motivational quote that I like, but one of the motivational quote I like is, without the commitment, you will never start, but without consistency, you will never finish. That's quote by Denzel Washington. So if you are interested, feel free to join me in my training
At CTI Resources.